Yeah, good evening. Good evening, all of you all. Start solving the next question. Cherisha, did you go through the yesterday's recording? Is Cherisha online? Which question you have to solve? 21st question. Okay. What about 20th question? Did you all try? Lemula, did you go through yesterday's class? Yes or no, Lemula? Talk up loud. See, I've uploaded. Again, I can't keep teaching. If you all want, go through the or skip that. From which question? 20th, right? Did you all try the 20th question? Okay, I'll just quickly solve 20th question and later we'll start with 21st. See, this is the question. Which is the exterior angle here? ABC is cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Triangle CBE is equals to 55 degrees. If CB is 55 degree, what about angle D? So angle CBE will be equal to angle ADC. Right? In a cyclic quadrilateral, the exterior angle will be equal to interior opposite angle. That is equals to 55 degrees. Okay, if ADC is 55 degree, what about AOC, students? Angle AOC is formed where? Center or circumference? Center. So what's the value? Center is equals to twice circumference. What's the angle formed on the circumference? ADC. So angle AOC is equals to 2 into 55, 110 degrees. So ADC is done. Next they have asked ABC. What about ABC, students? What's the answer for ABC? If D is 55 degree, what about angle B? Angle ADC plus angle ABC should be equal to, yes, opposite angle should be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, ABC is equals to 180 minus 55 degrees. What's the answer? 1. You can even use straight line concept, students. ABE is a straight line. So you can use even 180. Sum of interior plus exterior is equals to 180, this concept. Okay, next you have to find angle X. What is angle X? Angle X equals to 360 minus. What is angle AOC? 360 minus 110. So what's the answer? 250 degrees. Angle X is equal to 250. This is the answer. Whoever has done, check the answer, students. Cross check. All of you are completed. Next question. Yeah, Ivania, how many questions sir did? Did sir do the 21st question? Which you all found hard. Okay, few students go for tuition. What about other students? Why did sir solve only few? 22nd. Actually, yeah, 22nd and 24th is also easy, but 21st is proving question. There is no value given, right? So, yeah, so I'm asking. Okay, 21st. What about other section? Fine, keep it pending, students. Yeah, keep it pending. We'll do it later once we complete because this doesn't have any numerical value. It's a straight line of a curve. Okay, fine. intersecting at P, prove that AEB is isosceles. AEB is isosceles. Okay, proving. We'll get back to that later. We'll read the next question. We'll try the next question. 22nd question. How many circles are given in this? How many circles? Two circles, right? And what's the common? Yeah, common chord for both the circle. What? Which one is the common chord? Okay, so I think there is a theorem on this. AQB. AQB is a straight line. The given figure, the two circles intersect at PQ. A is 80. Okay, A, B, C, D, P, and Q. In the given figure, two circles intersect at P and Q. Fine. Angle A is given. Recalculate QBC and BCP. QBC, BCP. Look, student, this is two circle which has a common chord. Two circle with a common chord. There is a theorem for this. I'll explain. See, PQ is the common chord. Okay, PQ and the values are 80, 84 degrees. 84. Look, the diagram is like this. Okay, the diagrams are like this. A here, Q, P, D. All of you will draw this diagram. Draw to separate the circles. This is 22nd question. 22nd question, separate the circles like this. Now consider the first circle, students. In first circle, is it a cyclic quadrilateral? Is first circle a cyclic quadrilateral? So what will be the value of P? 180 degrees. So what is P? 100 degrees. What are we supposed to find? QBC. QBC, this angle. And BCP. BCP, this one. See, separate that angle. It's a simple question. What is angle P, students? Angle A plus angle P should be equal to 180. Therefore, angle P is equals to 180 minus 80 is 100 degrees. What about angle Q? 180. Angle D, not P, not P. This is angle, yeah. Angle D plus angle Q is equals to 180. 180 minus 84 is 96. Yeah, 96 degree. See, now PQ is common to both, but look here. I'll take it as P and P dash, students. Q and Q dash, so that you don't get confused. Okay, P and P dash. Here, Q and Q dash are not equal. Look at the angles formed here. Are they equal? Are these two angles equal? Q and Q dash. So they are not equal. Look at the diagram. First diagram. The green one is Q, students. Consider the green one is Q. That is 96 degrees. Okay, 96 degree. So what will be Q dash? The red one. See this one. This part. Won't it be the exterior value? Won't it be the exterior value? It will be the exterior angle, right? So what is the exterior angle value? Exterior angle should be equal to interior opposite. Okay. The theorem, you can even do it like this. Exterior angle is equals to interior opposite. So what will be the value of PQB? PQB should be 8. Good. Next. What about QBC? If this is 100 degree, even QBC is exterior. So that should be 80 degree. If if P dash Q dash B is 84 degree, what about angle C, students? What is angle C? 96 degree. Okay, let me explain like this. For the second triangle, there is actually a theorem for this. Once you understand this, theorem will be easy. The actual concept lies here. Theorem will be easy. Okay, now for the second circle, don't write. All of you listen here, don't write. For second circle, which one will be exterior angle? Q will be the exterior angle, 96. Are you able to observe this? So what will be angle C, students? Won't it be the opposite value? That's it. What is angle, exterior angle for second circle? What is exterior? Won't it be this 100? So what is angle B? Check the answer in textbook. Is it correct? I've used 4 exterior angle, students. 4 exterior angle concept. What's the answer? 100 degree. BCP is 96. Which chapters? 18, 22nd. What's the answer, students? Did you all check? Is QBC 100, BCP 96? Did you all understand this concept? Any doubts? Exterior angle. We used only exterior angle concept here. Now there is a theorem based on this. Which chord is common to both? Don't write. Stop writing. Stop copying. Which chord is common to both? PQ is common. Yeah, chord PQ, right? If PQ. So that the theorem says when two circles are given, students, when two circles are coinciding like this, when two circles coincide with common chord, with common chord PQ, then now you all tell me which angle is equal to 180. Can you see that angle Q is 180 degrees? Isn't it Q 180? The entire value of Q is 180. What about the entire value of P? 180. Therefore, 180 degree, the meaning of 180 is a straight line. Therefore, AQB is a straight line. AQB will be what? Is a straight line. In the same way, DPQ also will be a straight line. That's the reason angle P and Q is 180 degree. You can even look at the diagram. Sometimes in diagram they won't give straight line like this. But whenever two circles coincide with a common chord PQ, AQB will be a straight line. AQB and DPC will be a straight line. Okay, you can use even straight line concept. So I've explained both the ways. I have used the theorem. When two circles coincide with a common chord PQ, then AQB and DPC. Look at the lines AQB and DPC. It will be a straight line. That is nothing but angle P. The entire angle P is equals to 180 degree, and angle Q will also be equal to 180 degree. Okay, two circles should coincide, students, not next to each other. If they are next to each other like this, then the values will be different. Okay, forget about this. We'll do that later. For now, make a note of this. And even before writing this theorem, we have found the answer 96 and 84 using exterior concept. And Ivania, which concept sir used? Exterior angle or the straight line? Okay, both the ways, fine. So actually, straight line is the second part. If you understand exterior, now did you understand why you get straight line, Ivania? AQB, DPC, because of exterior concept. Because of exterior, you will get a straight line. So 100 degrees, use a straight line concept, 180 minus 100, you'll get the value. Before this, whatever we solved, that was different, students. Here, there is extra theorem, straight line. And when two circles are given, we call concentric circles. I mean, not concentrics. When two circles are given and we got a straight line, we call AQB as collinear points. AQB is a collinear, which means they lie on a straight line. AQB or DPC is a collinear point, or collinear points. Co meaning is together. Co is together, linear line. Together they lie on a straight line. That's the meaning, collinear. Therefore, it is equals to 180 degrees. I will copy it till here. Done till this part. Done. Okay, once again, students, once again, just tell me the answer. If angle A is 80 degree, what about angle P? 180 minus 80 is 100. Then what will be the exterior value? What's the exterior value? CPQ. What is exterior value? CPQ will be 80 degrees. And what about the exterior angle of Q? If D is 84, what is exterior? Even that is 84. And the opposite will be 96 degrees. This 84 is nothing but the interior value of this one, 84 degrees. So angle C would be 96. So we have applied two concepts, cyclic quadrilateral and straight line. You can apply even exterior angle to get the answer. So once you complete these 2 points, the first question is QBC BCP. QBC. So angle QBC is equals to, write it like this, angle QBP plus angle QBC is equals to 180 degree. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equals to 180. So 80 plus QBC is equals to 180. Angle QBC is equals to 180 minus 80, 100 degrees. Then BCP. Angle BCP plus angle PQB should be equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle BCP plus 84. We found PQB as 84 degrees, 180. Angle BCP is equals to 180 minus 84, 96 degrees. All of you are done? Shall we try the next one? Next question. Try the 23rd question, all of you, 23rd. See, diameter is given. Read the question. Center is given. Diameter. Consider AOB as diameter. So, how many points are touching the circumference, students? How many points are touching circumference? 4. Right? So, what kind of quadrilateral is ABCD? AB, ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. Then, which one is exterior angle? Which two are exterior angles? Angle D and DBE. No, there are two exterior angles, right? E is also exterior, D is also exterior. What are we supposed to find here? We have to find EDB. So what is EDB, students? EDB will be exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to what? Interior opposite. Which is interior opposite for EDB? E. No, no. O you shouldn't consider, Ivania. Don't consider O. Just ignore O, students. Just ignore this. Isn't it quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilateral? So angle D. My question is angle D. You have to find this one. The one which I have put arrow. That will be equal to which one? Interior? Okay. Interior opposite. Simple. Forget about angulo. We'll use it for next part of the question. Angle EDB is equals to angle CAB. You can write CAB is equals to 50 degrees. So that is equals to 50 degrees. What will you all write? What's the reason? Why did we use this? It's a theorem. What theorem? Exterior angle of a quadrilateral is equals to interior opposite angle, or you can just mention exterior angle of a quadrilateral. Just mention the students. Exterior angle of a quadrilateral. That's it. See, don't randomly solve the question. First question, EDB is given. Next, EBD. EBD. Can you all answer this question? Angle EBD, the green one which I marked, is exterior to which one, student? P equal to which one? This EBD will be equal to which one? It's exterior angle. That should be equal to interior opposite. Which angle is opposite? Angle C, ACD, right? Angle C. It should be equal to angle C. So if you find angle C, you can find B. Okay. Now let me draw the line like this, 140 degrees. Okay. Angle C is not given. If angle C was given, you understood how to write the direct answer if angle C was given? Right, now angle C is not given, students. Now, so what you have to do, go with the other value. 140 degrees given. And what about AB? AOB will be a straight line because O is center and AB is a straight line diameter. So what will be the value of DOB, students? What will be the value of DOB? AOD plus, look at AOD. AOD plus DOB should be equal to how many degrees? Straight line concept. It's a straight line. This one, I'm talking about this one, should be equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle DOB is equals to 180 minus 140. What's the value? 40. 40. And what kind of triangle is DOB? Triangle DOB is what kind of triangle? Isosceles triangle. This is 40 degrees. Sorry, this is 40. OD and OB are radius, students. DO is isosceles. Therefore, OB side OB is equals to side OD. Radius. Okay, if these two are radius, which two angles should be equal? In triangle ODB, which two angles should be equal? So you shouldn't write angle B and D. How will you name it? Angle OBD, ODB should be equal. Apply sum of interior angle triangle, students. Therefore, angle DOB plus angle OBD plus angle ODB is equals to 180. We can use this. What will be the value of each angle? 180 minus 40 is 140. 140 divided by 2? 70. Both are 70. You can use sum of interior. Or we could have directly used exterior angle concept, students, instead of doing so many calculations. For triangle DOB, which is exterior, for triangle DOB, which is exterior, DOA is exterior. No, which one? No, for DOB. Look at this, Ivania, where the value is given, not the other side, left hand side. 140 degree. So what is triangle exterior angle concept? Exterior angle is equals to sum of both angles are equal. It should be 70 70. Yes, you can use even this. So angle D and B would have been sum of 140. When they are equal, it is 70 degrees and 70 degrees. Okay, all of you will complete this. Will get 70 degrees here. Look at 40 degrees, 70 degrees. Angle OBD is equals to 70 degree. Now we need to find angle EBD. EBD. Okay, isn't it OBE a straight line? All of you look at the diagram and tell me, is OB a straight line? It's a straight line, right? So OBE is a straight line, students. Then what will be the other half of angle B? If one part is 70 degree, what will be the other half? 110 degrees. That's the answer. EBD is the value we need to find. So if you know how to answer, write the values, you can write the statement. Okay, it's easy to write the statement once you get the answers. So angle OBD plus angle DBE is a straight line, 180 degree. Therefore, angle EBD is equals to 180 minus 70, that is 110 degrees. Okay, can you tell me the value of angle C? What will be value angle C, students? If ABDC is cyclic quadrilateral, what is angle C? What's the value of 110 degree? Because we got B as 70 degree, 110 degrees. So we can find all the values, students. If you understand the concept, we could find all the values. Completed? Okay, when I'm teaching, concentrate and do it by yourself, students. That is one option. If not, just ignore, just sit and copy. That is second option. Left up to you all. Next, try the next question. Look, read this question. Is this proving? No. BED is given. BED. Okay, there is some mistake in this question. Is it F or E? What's given in the textbook? Is it BF or BE? BF is given. Okay, that is E. You're supposed to take it as E. There is no F given in the question. And it is continuous alphabets A, B, C, D, E. Take it as E and try it. Okay, whoever knows the concept can try this, students. If not, wait for me. I'll solve it. You can copy. AB is a diameter. Okay, if AB is a diameter, read the question. AB is a diameter. O is the O is center. O is center. AB is diameter. So the angle of semicircle concept. If AB is diameter, angle C and angle D will be 90 degrees. Angle C and angle D is 90 degree. Angle found on semicircles. 35 degrees, 25 degrees is given. ADE is a straight line. ADE. ADE is a straight line and CBE are a straight line. What do you mean by AD is a straight line, student? If it's a straight line, what will be the value of the entire angle D? Yes, 180. If CB is a straight line, 180 degree. Angle B will be equal to 180. Sum of angle B. 180 and 180. Find the value DCB, DBC, BDC. Okay, one more thing. In exam, they won't give. See, can you all see the dotted lines given? AC, BD, CD. In exam, they won't give those dotted lines. Yeah, they won't give those dotted lines. Which four points are touching the circle, students? Which four alphabets? A, B, C, D. Okay, if you join them, what kind of quadrilateral will be formed? Quadrilateral. That's the reason in they've given join BC, forget all those. You have to connect all four dots. So we get a cyclic quadrilateral. That's the concept here. Okay, in which section ma'am started the other chapter? Midpoint theorem. Did ma'am start midpoint the other chapter? Naomi's class. How many questions ma'am did Naomi? Fine, complete it. Complete it. Later you can check. Complete this first. Oh, 14 sum. DCB. DCB. AB is a diameter. AB is diameter. If AB is diameter, which two angles are 90 degrees? The angle formed on? Yes. So you're supposed to write like this: angle ACB and angle ADB is equals to 90 degrees. And don't write plus, students. Both are 90 degrees. The reason is angle formed on the semicircle. Angles formed on semicircle. 90 and 90. So there is no parallel line given. No parallel line. We can't use parallel line concept. 90. If it's a straight line, what will be the value of BDE, students? What will be BDE? What is angle BDE? Angle BDE plus angle ADB is equals to 180. Yes. No, not 180, Ivania. 90, right? Angle BDE plus 90 degrees equals to 180. So therefore this will be 180. So look at the next triangle, students. Look at this triangle DBE. We have 25, we have 90. Find the value of the other triangle. This one. Fine. Stop till here. Take break. We'll continue after break. Write it till here. Take break. We'll continue at 7:10. Okay. Try this, students. Complete it. See, first question DCB. You need to find DCB. Okay. Entire 90 degree is not required. We just need DCB. All of you all found this angle B. This one, what did you all get? 180 minus 90 plus 25. This angle. Yes, students, are you all online? What's the answer you all got for angle B? In DBE. In DBE, what is angle B value? Sixty-five degrees. Okay, so which angle we can find? B. You can find DBC. This angle. DBC. What value? 180 minus 115 degrees. And BD, fine. We need to find BDC, students. Using triangle, is it possible to find BDC or BCD? No, right? Both are missing. Then use arc concept, segment concept to find BDC. Triangle BCD as what? What's the arc for BDC? Sorry, BCD, students. So for triangle BCD, which is the arc for BCD? BD is the arc. On the same arc, what is the other triangle formed? What are the two triangles we have? No, no, BAD. So which two angles are equal here? BAD is equals to, see, I've drawn the arc. I've told you all, first go with triangle. If you're not able to find the triangle concept, you can use arc concept. Angle DCB is what we need to find. First question, DCB. So angle DCB is equals to angle which one? BAD. That is equals to 35 degrees. Both are 35. Angle DBC is 115. Will you all find BDC? Will you all find BDC 115 and 35? 180 minus these two will get BDC. The third part, BDC. Or what's the other way to find? B and C is the arc. If B and C is the arc on the same arc. Now, this is the only possible way, students. The reason I used angle E, angle D, all those things, they've given angle E value here. 25 degrees is given. Sum of interior angle of a triangle. One 180 minus 150. What's the answer? 30 degrees. That's, this is one way of doing. Can you tell me another way, students? Another way of trying this question for BDC, which is the arc? For BDC, no, no, arc. Which two will be the arc, Ivania? Is the arc on the same arc? What's the other triangle formed? Okay, complete this. All of you will complete. I'll erase and I'll tell you all that other thing. So here we found angle D, angle E. This solution is bit lengthy, but step by step you'll understand each and every angle. You'll be able to understand. All of you will completed. Done. Now look here students, you can even find it the other way. If AB is the diameter, angle C, what is the value of angle C? 90 degrees, right? Then they have asked us to find BDC, third part. For BDC, which is the arc? BC is the arc. So we need to find this angle. Look at this angle, this one. And on the same arc, what's the other angle formed? On the same arc, what's the other angle? Isn't it CAB? If we find CAB, both will be equal. Look at these two angles. Won't they be equal? BCD, CAB will be equal. So you can even find CAB, students. How will you find CAB? Take this entire triangle. Look at this entire triangle CAE. What is the, yes, what is the value? 25. You could have done it like this, 90 degrees. Angle A, one part of angle A is 35 degree. What will be the other part? How will you calculate? 90, 25, 35, 180 minus, add up all these values. 90 plus 25 plus 35. You'll get direct answer. Within 2 steps, you'll get the direct answer. 180 minus, what is 90 plus 25 plus 35? 150, 30 degrees. So this would be 30 degrees. If BDC is 30, CAB also will be 30 degrees. All of you got 30 degrees as the answer. BDC, 30 degrees is the answer. You could have even done it like this. Your geometry observation is important, students. When you look at the diagram, you should be able to figure out. Just solving the questions, it won't be enough. See, even diagram is very important. You should be able to split the diagram. You have a circle here. This diagram, there are three ways to split. I mean, three diagrams are given here. One triangle ACE is given. One circle is given, and inside circle we have a quadrilateral. This part. Like this. And there is another triangle given. That is EBD. As soon as you see the question, you have to analyze all this. If you analyze, you'll get to know that E is 25 degree, angle C is angle of semicircle 90 degrees, 90. Angle D is also 90. This is how you do it. So angle D is ADE is a straight line. If it's straight line, even the other angle, look at the other triangle, even that would be 90 degrees. E is 25 degrees. 90, 25, you get 55. No, 65, 70, 85, 65 degrees. If CB is a straight line, 65, you get 25 here. So this is how you'll solve the question. You can do it separately or just look at the diagram, write the values. (35) BAD is 35. 35 degree. Okay, we have done 25th question. Try the 25th. Be quick, another 5 minutes left. Try the 25th. In the given figure, the straight line AB is given. AB is a straight line and CD passes through center O. Okay, AB is a straight line and CD passes through center O. Then what kind of line is CD, students? If it's a straight line passing through center, then what is CD? What is CD? O is the center, right? Then what will be CD? If a straight line passes through center, it's a diameter. Then what will be angle E? What is angle E? 90 degrees. See, they won't give you all. In the first one or two questions, they'll mention diameter. In 25th question, they won't mention. They didn't mention diameter. It is understood. If a straight line passes through center, we know it is a diameter. DC is a diameter. You have to make a note of it. DC is diameter. Okay, because O is center, OC is radius, OD is also radius. If they're in straight line, diameter. Therefore, angle E is 90 degrees. Angle E is equals to 90 degree. Angle formed on semicircle. Then what about CDE, students? What will be the value of CDE? That's the first question asked. What is CDE? 180 minus 90 plus 40 is? Write it here. We need to find angle CDE and OBE. CDE, OBE. Again, simple question. Only if you realize that DC is a diameter. If not, you won't be able to solve it. Naomi, Ivania, not Ivania. Naomi and Tanishka in same class? Okay, then Diyashri, Ivania's class, she told. Naomi's class, you told. Which is the other section? What did ma'am do? Lemula, Diyashri, same class. Then one more section is missing. What did ma'am do? The other section. Yeah, mute the Ivania. Mute the call. See, we need to find the value of B, students. You can consider OBD, triangle OBD. What is the value of exterior angle AOD? What is exterior angle AOD given? 75 according to triangle. What is 75 equal to? Exterior angle is equals to opposite angle. Exterior angle. To confuse us, they have taken E, student. Just ignore this E. We need to find OB. OB is also equal to OBD. So it doesn't matter if you take D. All we need to find is angle B. That's it. Exterior angle mentioned here in triangle DOB. Exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angle. Sum of interior opposite angle. So exterior angle is AOD. All this is your last year concept. AOD is equals to angle ODB plus angle OBD. What's the value of angle B? OBD, you can write it as OB, students. OB is equals to 25 degrees. Which question? 25th question. Check the answer. 25th OB. Yes, both the answers are correct. 50 degrees, 25 degrees. Okay. Fine. That's it for today. You all can leave. If you have completed, you all can leave.